Hi, welcome to Skill Hacks. My name is Vaibhav Agarwal and I'm currently working in an MNC as team lead. I have 4 plus years of experience in iOS development. I will be your guide throughout this journey of iOS development course. Let's initiate our discussion with our very first question that may come to your mind. Why should one learn iOS development? That's a very basic question. So, here's the answer. It is easy to learn and you can build great apps using this. According to a popular job portal, Indeed, average salary of iOS professionals is 68% higher than the average salary for other job positions. So you can imagine what benefits iOS can provide you. Also, there's a very important point that needs to be noticed is that by learning iOS development, you can create apps for iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch. This means you can cover the whole Apple ecosystem. You can use Swift, Auto Layout, and Xcode, and you can build apps for all of the products that are designed by Apple. Apple has a very large market share in terms of products and services, which are garnered from basic users to pro users. In current scenario, there's always a higher demand for Apple developers, but there's a very short supply. We will help you to fill that supply and make a successful career in it. In this course, we are going to learn from basics to advanced frameworks of iOS development so that you can understand the mobile environment and try your hands on iPhone apps. Basic frameworks like UI Kit Foundation that will help you to create small apps and large frameworks such as SQLite or CoreData to store local values in your local databases. So we will also build some applications so that you can go through the process of development and what challenges comes when we go for the development. So the basic content of our course is as follows. The first point, basics of script language, that is how to declare variables, functions, loops, condition statement and options. So these are the very basic points that we need to understand, and if you know any other language, that would be a great for you. Familiarity with Xcode, we will use Xcode, which is used for development of iOS, that is provided by Apple only. Third, auto layout to design rich and complex UIs using constraints. We use constraints to design our UIs. Creating lists using table view and collection view. Most of the screens or apps that you have used, you must have seen they have multiple lists, like product list. So using table view and collection view, you can easily design those. We will also learn that. Navigating from one screen to another using UI navigation controller. We navigate from one screen to another whenever a user performs some event. We will also see how we can pass data from one point to another point using delegates and protocols. We will implement push notifications as well. We will also go through the process of generating and uploading provisional certificates and profiles for the App Store that will help us to upload our app on the App Store. These topics are the very basic ones which will help you to grow your knowledge and interest for arts development. Let's hop onto the course and start our journey of becoming a successful arts developer. Thanks.